The Week 32 Tea Price Report for the period ending August 7th is sponsored by the East Africa Tea Trade Association, EATTA, owners of the Mombasa Tea Auction since 1956. Tea markets closed Week 32 with mixed headline prices but a consistent trading pattern. Buyers remained active for immediate coverage and continued to reserve their strongest bids for clean, well-made teas. Colombo improved selectivity as better seasonal high-grown and low-grown descriptions drew support, while weaker invoices remained irregular. North India eased on the latest official benchmark despite active participation from major blenders and internal buyers. Mombasa maintained good but selective demand with brighter BP1s, cleaner PF1s, and dependable dust grades outperforming plainer teas. Indonesia was the least representative market. Cancellations in a catalog weighted towards secondary and off grades weakened the average, even though mainstream orthodox and CTCTs were generally steady to firm. In Colombo, prices averaged $3.58 per kilo, up 3 cents versus the reconstructed Week 31 benchmark. In North India, prices averaged $2.37 per kilo, down 4 cents versus the last available official average for Week 31. In Mombasa, prices averaged $2.14 per kilo, up 2 cents versus sales 29. In Indonesia, prices averaged $2.39 per kilo, down 2 cents versus the prior indicative Week 31 benchmark. The structural support remains as much as supply costs. Kenya's shilling and Sri Lanka's rupee were comparatively stable, limiting pressure for exporters to discount. India's weaker rupee supported dollar competitiveness but increased exposure to imported energy and packaging. Oil recovered late in the week while Gulf and Red Sea route risk kept freight, insurance, and working capital cost elevated. The takeaway is straightforward. This is not a broad rising or falling market. Price realization depends increasingly on quality, immediate buyer need, and the exporter's cost of executing the trade. That's the Tea Price Report for Week 32, ending 7 August 2026.
Produced by Adavita Studios. Connect your voice to the world.